What if I told you you could make $100,000 plus a year without a college degree? Because while everyone's chasing degrees, these trades are quietly making people rich. And the jobs on this list, they might shock you because almost no one is doing them. Trades are exploding right now. High demand, fewer workers, jobs that can't be replaced. This means higher pay. Elevator technicians install and fix elevators and can make over $100K a year. Power line technicians work with high voltage systems. Dangerous, but very high paying. Underwater welding, one of the most extreme jobs. High risk, high reward. Wind turbine techs climb massive towers and work in renewable energy. And the one almost no one talks about, oil rig worker. Tough conditions, but massive pay potential. Here's how to start. Pick a trade, go to trade school or apprenticeship, get certified, gain experience. You don't need a degree to succeed. You need skills. While others are stuck in debt, you could be building a career and getting paid. Subscribe to Stock Monster. Because success isn't about the path, it's about the result.